कैसे हो भाई लोग दीदी लोग। आज पुनीत सर की क्लास में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक
PCR or polymerase chain reaction. It is the artificial rapid synthesis of the DNA which is discovered by Mullish. It is based on two basic principles. First, denaturation of DNA by heat, and second, DNA formation by Taq polymerase. Now first we understand what is denaturation. When we give the heat to a DNA molecule, both polynucleotide chain of a DNA get separated. It means denaturation is the process of separation of both PNC of the DNA by heating on high temperature, generally 94 degrees centigrade. This will break the DNA into two separate PNCs, two separate strands. Okay. Now, second basic principle is DNA formation by Taq polymerase enzyme. Taq polymerase enzyme is thermostat DNA polymerase enzyme which is found in Thermus aquaticus bacteria. This bacteria is found in hot springs and it can bear high temperature. That is why it is stable in the high temperature. It can tolerate high temperature. So, PCR is divided in three major steps. First, denaturation of the DNA. Second, annealing. Third, extension. In denaturation, what is denaturation? The process of separation of both PNC of DNA by giving heat or 94 degree temperature. This will break the DNA into two separate PNC. Now come to next step. Second step is annealing. In annealing, it is the association of artificially made RNA, thermostat RNA primer on 3' end of both PNC. Means in this process, we attach the artificially made thermostatic RNA primer on both PNC's 3' end and start base pairing. It occurs on the 72 degrees temperature. Now, third step is extension, in which we use Taq polymerase enzyme, DNA polymerase enzyme obtained from Thermus aquaticus bacteria is called Taq polymerase enzyme. Okay, it is the formation of extension is the formation of new PNC on previous template PNC with the help of Taq polymerase enzyme. So this process or PCR or polymerase chain reaction produce 1000 copy of the DNA segment in the 10 cycles. In one cycle it produce 2 copy, in 2 cycle it produce 4 copies, in 3 cycle it produce 8 copies, and in 10 cycles it produce 1000 copies. In 30 cycles it produce 1 billion copies of the DNA. This is called DNA amplification. Okay, that is why it is used in biotechnology as well as various technologies like the HGP, DNA fingerprinting to amplify the DNA fragments. That's all about this.
कोई भी प्रॉब्लम या डाउट होने पर मुझे यहाँ कांटेक्ट करें। टिल देन कीप योर बॉडी स्ट्रांग, माइंड स्ट्रांग